Morning, this is a quick video to show what I've done to this Transit Mk8 Security by Vehicle Fit. I've done quite a lot to this van. Firstly, we've done a reverse camera, well, forward facing camera built into a Ford style mirror. So we've got a 1080p camera there facing forwards, and that's 1080p, true 1080p, 30 frames a second. And that records. There's a microphone as well. Red means it's recording. That's recording all the time the ignition's on, and also 12 hours after you turn the ignition off in parking mode, it will also record for 12 hours, then shut down. But this guy's got a tow bar on, so we've aligned the rear brake camera to the tow bar. So that's the mirror monitor. He's had quite a lot of work done. Had a Replock, obviously, wiring mods. So the Replock wiring. This is the high level reverse camera. This is high definition. This has got infrared lights around the outside, lens in the middle, and also a light sensor to affect or to change the way the camera works at night. He's had deadlocks on the rear. He's had working lights. I should just turn these on in a minute. Deadlocks to the side. He's had we fitted this as well. Not my normal job, but why not? A hand cleaner, because this guy, if he doesn't have provision for his lads for warm water, I'll turn it on in a minute, hang on. If his lads are inspected on site, strip lights, hand wash, strobes and spotlights. Yeah, if his lads are inspected on site and they haven't got warm water, they can fail their audit. So hand sanitizer, hand cleaner, protects us clean. We've fitted some very bright LED work lights, and they just illuminate the floor where they're working. We've fitted some uprated interior lights, front and rear. This is the rear work light. Again, makes working at night a lot easier. These guys do utility work. I didn't fit this. This is hardcore stuff. Might do one day. What else do we do? Oh, we have strobes all around. Warning beacons again, because this guy's a roadside utility vehicle. We fitted strobes to the rear, strobes to the roof. Rear strobes, flush mounted. What else? Front strobes, mounted in tandem. So there you go. It was about 12 hours work on this, but yeah, I'm quite pleased with it. Thanks for watching. Cheers.